Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I'm showing you the recipe of an eggless, gooey, moist chocolate cake in a ramekin. And of course, I'm experimenting with whey protein isolate, and that's one of the main ingredients in this recipe. So I have made one right here. So let me show you what it looks like. It's in a little ramekin. So I'm cutting open a slice to show you how amazing it is inside. No eggs. Amazing. So we're standing in my kitchen. So let's get cooking. Okay, so let's get straight into the recipe. We begin with 2 heaping teaspoons of almond flour. In that goes. Next we have 2 heaping teaspoons of whey protein isolate. Remember to use the isolate and not the concentrate. 2 to 3 teaspoons of a sweetener of your choice. And I love using dark chocolate, so I'm going to put 2 heaping teaspoons of cocoa, unsweetened cocoa powder, dark. It really makes a difference, the dark one. Okay, now the half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and that goes, and half a teaspoon of xantham gum, a pinch of salt, which always enhances the flavor of chocolate, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Don't worry, you won't get the taste. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, in that goes, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the video got cut off. 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, nice heaping tablespoons. So give it all a good mix. And now we are going to put in 1/4 cup of hot water. I'm putting it in little bits. That's the Greek yogurt that's a bit stuck to the spoon. So again, the frothing will start, and I'm going to show you the consistency of what it looks like. Can you see that? That frothy, you must get used to this frothy feeling. Okay, now I'm taking 2 ramekins, and you can even make it in another container, and I'm buttering them really well so that they pop out really easily. And I'm going to give it a dusting of cocoa powder. So just see the way I'm doing it. You just put a little bit and bring the cocoa powder all around. Instead of putting flour, since we're making a chocolate little cakes in this, it's better to do the dusting with with cocoa powder. Okay, now I'm going to put the mixture in. Just see how I do it. I'm putting in about a teaspoon or 2 in one, both of them, a little bit more. And now I'm going to take 2 pieces of dark chocolate. You can even use stevia sweetened chocolate, whatever it suits you. And I'm going to break it into 2 and press in, not right to the bottom, just a little bit in the center of both of them. This will add to your chocolate flavor. It'll almost, and then I'm adding the rest of the mixture on top. And this is going to be ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for just about 10 to 12 minutes. Yep, that's it. And watch how it'll look. So they've just come out of the oven. Oh, they're piping hot. Can you see how much they've risen? How beautifully they've risen. Look at that. Lovely. So now you let it cool. I'm showing you with a little gap, and there it pops out. True chocolate cake. Gooey, fudgy, yummy. Absolutely. You can put some cream on this or some whipped cream. and enjoy it. So thanks for watching as always, and do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell. Bye.